Hey, 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 good people. Hi, how are you? We are coming to tell you, we are coming to show you good things that we've been waiting for. We've been waiting for very, very, very good things for a very long time. This is our project that we just began last year, around September, just 3 months to December. And today, this is where we are. We are only left with one process, my people. We are only left to fix glasses, the sliding windows. We're also left with the wardrobes and the plumbing only. So it means that this client is only left with 2 week works to sleep in his mega building. So this is the color that we chose for our building. When even standing from somewhere, I'm seeing some good recommendation that this color is out. It's very shining. It's so bright when in terms of oversight. You can see how it's a very beautiful color. Even in terms of decoration, we did well when we were doing our finishing, and now today you can see the final colors how we have done. And this is our building. We have done tiles so far, so you can see the arrangement of tiles. Most of the people would like to say every day you don't change the design. Now you can see that today we did the diagonal kind of design. So you'll find that our tiles are not going straight, but they are put diagonally. So you can see the arrangements. You can see the arrangement of these tiles. They are put diagonally. So today we have decided to put tiles, and you can see even the corner strips that we have decided it's gold, which means the color of the tiles plus the color of the on the corner strip is matching. The tiles are the corner strip is wearing a very beautiful color from the tile. So we put gold on white. So that is how beautiful is this house. It's looking like a palace. So here is our veranda. Here is our veranda. And also remember that we have done electric installation, as you can see. So this is our veranda. You can see the kind of ceiling that we put into our veranda, and even the kind of the light that we did there. It's looking very, very nice. Right away from the corridor now, right away from the corridor, as we are entering the corridor. I want to show you this is how this building is. And we put we have decided to put a very beautiful snake lights, downlighters, ceiling hanging doors. You can see how they are appearing. You can see that they're also changing the colors. You can see that they are changing the colors. There we have a violet bright color. There we have a blue color, and also there we are having a very nice goldish color. You can also check our wall brackets. Our wall brackets, that is silver bright color. That is silver bright color. You can also see that we are also having a white color, and again we are having a pink color. That one we also have a neutral color. So for our downlighters, you can see that they're changing. There is one color, there is white, and every color that is being designed for this. So which means that this corridor is beautiful. We now need to get into the sitting room. We now need to get into the sitting room. So this is our sitting room. You can see how it is. We decided to put white tiles, white color tiles, because even the color of the wall is white. I decided to do this because nowadays people like to be clean. People like clean work. So when I see that I put a brilliant white color, it means our work appears to be so clean. So here is where we are going to put our TV stand when we are doing furniture installation. This is where we are going to put our TV stand. So this is where we put on this side wall bracket here. This is where we put our wall bracket, and also this side is where we put our wall bracket. There is another one that we designed here. We couldn't put here because of this window, and now we transferred it to this side. We transferred this side. We have also put another one here. At the middle of the ceiling, you can see how beautiful is this ceiling. You can see how beautiful is this ceiling. Now you can see that is the snake light, and this is the chandelier. You can realize that our chandelier is a radio wave chandelier. You can also connect your Bluetooth there. You can listen music. You can listen to radios. Sorry, we have gone short of power. For now we don't have power. So let's just continue. We are still casting. We'll give you more details on the lighting, on electric installation. But you can see from the look of things how we have arranged this sitting room. It means it's looking very wow. We are all left with this TV stand and the glasses, the sliding windows, and finally we will have something very legit. Now we need to get into the dining room. So this is our dining room. This is our dining room. We have also done electric installation. This is a 5-gang switch. This is a 5-gang switch. The switch for the ceiling hanging rods, the switch for the downlighters, the switch for the fan, the switch for the wall bracket, and this one is the switch for the switch for one, two. Now this is the switch for the fan. Thank you. So here is a regulator. If we need to regulate speed of your fan, we have a regulator here. So that is how we have done. We have a socket here. If you need to charge your phone, if there is any appliances, machinery appliances, this is where you will apply your electricity from. So therefore we need to go quickly because I'm sorry today that we have run out of power, so we are having very little light. So this is we are entering into the master bedroom. We are entering into the master bedroom. So this is our master bedroom. You can see the mode of electric installation that we have done. It's really amazing. It's really amazing. So our people, today we are bringing you amazing things, amazing work. The type of how we choose our materials, the type of how we choose our products for working is on another level. So this is our master bedroom. We put a circle in the ceiling, and inside that circle is where we put our chandelier, and that is how beautiful this master room is appearing. We are having everything here. We are only left with the sliding window. We're only left with the sliding window, the wardrobes, and some appliances for this master bedroom. So we need to get out. But before I get out, I forgot to tell you about this master toilet. So you can come and see how we did our master toilet. You can see the floor, how beautiful is our floor. You can see how beautiful is our floor. You can see how beautiful is our ceiling. You can see, so we put that kind of light there, and therefore you can see, wow, this is the wall for our master toilet. You can see how beautiful is the type of these wall tiles that I chose. Now we chose a very nice design. So here we are having these shelves. So in case you need to put your soap, you need to put your sponge, anything that you like to put here, here we have done these shelves. We have put you, and if they are looking very strong, they can hold any kind of weight. We are also, when you are doing plumbing, you are going to put handles here. When you are doing shower, you will be able to hang your clothes there. So this is our building. This is our master room, walk-in closet and toilet. So we need also to tell through the corridor. And don't forget that we put hanging rods there. There is a light, a beautiful light there. We have a switch here, so we haven't forgotten that. We have a switch there. at the exit you can see the nice design, the arch that we put there. It's looking very nice. When you're standing in the front, you can see how it's looking beautiful. When you're standing at the back, you can see how it's looking beautiful. Now we are also entering into the corridor that takes us into the children's room and also the guest room. You can see how we made it. You can see the type of electric installation lighting that we did here. When we'll be doing what we call when we'll be doing other processes, we will show you how it lights. So you can see we put there a wall bracket. Here we are having a wall bracket. When the power will be back, we'll be able to show you how beautiful it will look. So here is our CPU. This is where we regulate our power. So in case maybe there is any abnormality in case of anything, this is where we'll come to regulate our power. So this is our consumer unit, and it's a 6-way consumer unit. So next, now we want to enter into before we enter into these rooms, we have a common toilet. So this toilet is for the guests and also for the children. People who cannot access the master bedroom, they will be using this toilet. And you can see how beautiful this house is. Really interesting how beautiful it's appearing. You can see the kind of tiles, black with dotted white with dotted black rings. Very nice, very beautiful. We have also put them here. These the shelves for if they want to put anything, they can put into these shelves. You can also decide to put here your utilities. So this is our common toilet, and therefore I want to show you the children's room. You can see the type of tiles that we put here. So beautiful, so beautiful. You can see they are not slippery, they are not that rough, they are medium textured, which means it favors any age, any energy requirements for its appliances. So this is our children's room. You can see at the ceiling we put what you call the fan because of heat. We are also having here a full moon, goldish with a brilliant white color. Very beautiful. We'll show you when the power will be back. And here we are having a socket, a 2-gang socket. So in case there is any appliances, we will be using this 2-gang socket for those appliances. Here we have a switch, a light switch, and also a fan switch. So you will enter. When entering here, you will just light. After that, if you want fan, you will enter there. You will switch here. And also you will be using this regulator to regulate the speed of your fan. If you want to increase the speed, if you want to reduce the speed, this is the regulator you will be using. Now we are having what we call the guest room. So this is the guest room. So all the guests, this is where they will be. You can see the color of the ceiling, the color of the electric appliances, the color of the wall, and the color of the floor. Very amazing, very amazing. This work is really brilliant. This work is really amazing. I really love this work. I'm really satisfied with this work. Not unless we have more comments from our viewers, from our followers. You can say something about this work, but we have really done very nice work. As you can see, the next time interior design, we are going to show you on the wardrobes, on the sliding windows, and also the cabinets in the kitchen. So we have I've not shown you the kitchen finally. Through this corridor, I will walk out. I want to show you the kitchen now. So this is our kitchen. You can see this is our kitchen. For the wall, this is what I decided to see. It's really showing that this is a real kitchen. You can see the type of tiles they're showing, food, plates, you have a fork here, you have a kettle there, jugs. So it means now this is a real kitchen. So this is our worktop. Now where if you want to do your blending, so this is where you will put your blender and do the blending. This is where we are going to put a fridge, and that's why we have this switch here. We have this switch here for those purposes. This side, two-gang switch, this side will be used for blending, and this side will be used for the fridge. And therefore we are also having here, this is our sink. You know, we have not done we have not done cleaning. So this is our sink. You can see that we put the goldish corner strip to make it appear more beautiful. You can see the kind of rolling that we did. And here we have the this is the cooker switch socket. This socket is used for the cooker. Here is the pillar for the, this one is just to guard the cooker, because this is our cooker area. This is just to guard our cooker. So and that is it. Now let me show you maybe the outside area. So the rear balcony. So this is the rear porch. You can see we had put tiles. This is the rear porch. This is the rear porch. Now you can see how we have really done. I just want to show you how we did our pavement all round. We put tiles everywhere for our pavement. We put tiles everywhere for our pavement. You can see how it's really looking so beautiful. It's really looking so beautiful. Up to the far end, we put tiles all around our pavement. So you can also see the type of tiles we put here at the rear porch. It's really looking very beautiful. So our fans for today, that is what we wanted to get you. And we are continuing, and we'll never get tired of showing you what we are doing, our brilliant work, the type of and the smartness of the work that we are doing as a Garitech construction company. So therefore, as you visit there, as you visit our channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to view, and also don't forget to follow, comment, share, subscribe, like, follow, do everything. Give us critics, criticize our work, give us we need to get your views, you need to get your points. You need also to tell us where we are going wrong, because we are not perfect. We don't tell ourselves we are not perfect. In as much as you are doing good work, there is something maybe we are not seeing is going wrong that you are seeing. So please, we need you to tell us that now your work is this and this, but this is where you need to rectify, or this is where you need to add flavor in that work. So we really love you, our followers, our viewers, our fans. We really love you. So for today, we appreciate as we enjoy our thank you.